Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Composer tools on Windows 11 PC. Composer is a most popular package installer for PHP programming language. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Composer and how to check its version. So I open my browser and I search Composer and I hit enter. So this is the official page of Composer, getcomposer.org. I click on it and this is the homepage of Composer dependency manager for PHP. That means this is the dependency manager for PHP programming language. So I click on download button and I click on this composer setup.exe file. It is very tiny file, less than 2 MB. It download within few seconds. After downloading, we get this software setup file. So I close this download complete wizard. So I double click on its setup file and I install for all users. That is recommended. So I click on install for all users and it asks for permission. I click on yes. This is the Composer setup wizard. So I click on next. It automatically detects my PHP version, that is latest version of PHP. I click on next. It's checking my command line and after that it asks me to set up proxy. So I ignore it. I click on next and I click on install. So it install take very few time. So within few seconds it will be installed on Windows 11 PC. So I just wait. Yes, my installation is completed. So I click on next and click on finish. So now I refresh my computer and now I press on shift button and right click on mouse. So we see the option open PowerShell Windows here. So I click on it and I just type Composer version and hit enter. So I see that Composer version 2.6.6. So that is my video. In this video, I will show you how to install PHP dependency manager Composer on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video and if it is helpful for you, please comment on this video. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.